Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're going to take a look at this very unique, I would call it, device. I saw this on another YouTube video, and I thought, that's unbelievable. I can't believe it. So I have to try it for myself. And what this is, it's a soldering iron powered by a USB port. Yep. And it's like, will this really work? So we're going to try it out here. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. And I've got this power pack here. This is advertised at 10,000 amp hours. No, excuse me, milliamp hours. 10,000 milliamp hours. I did a test on it, and you get about 5,000 out of it. So it does supply about 2 amps, which I think this thing's going to require 2 amps, so it doesn't really say anywhere on the outside. Nope. Okay, so we're going to try to open this thing up without tearing up the box. There we go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little closer. And it opens this way. So here's a little stand for it. Here is the USB cable. Here's a little bit of solder they give you. Wow. I'd be afraid to use that if I'd burned myself holding it because it's so short. And then here is the soldering iron. And let's see, there are no instructions. So I guess it's pretty straightforward. Now, let's see. It's got this plastic cover all over the tip. Let me see if I can... Oh, boy. Took a little bit to pull that off, which is good. Little chisel type, or a pointed tip. Feels a little rough, like it's been tested, and they left some flux on it. And we've got, here is the on-off button right here. You push and hold that down, I think. Yeah, we'll try it. What the heck? Well, maybe we will try this little tiny piece of, yeah, that's what it is. That's a little tiny piece of solder. I'm just going to see if it comes on and warms up in this video, and then if it does that, if it achieves that, then we'll do another video where we'll see if we can solder. So we'll plug this in. I mean, the concept just blows my mind that USB, which is typically about 2 amps maximum, will provide enough power to heat up this soldering iron. So you plug this guy in the end here, and then we'll plug this into our little power adapter, or power pack. Tight fit there. And our power pack is almost fully charged. Oh, what I wanted to do though is I want to measure what kind of power this thing draws. So I'm going to insert my little USB tester, put that in first, and my power pack is putting out 5.16 volts, and then I will plug in the soldering iron, and right now it should be off, so it's drawing zero. Uh-oh, I lost connection here. Oh, my power pack turned off because it didn't have a load. So we're ready to go. And like I say, I'm not going to do any soldering in this show. I'm just going to see if it works and how much current it draws. So I think this is push and hold. What's the deal here? Capacitance, well, my power pack turned off again because it didn't have a load. Okay, I'm failing here. I don't know how to get this turned on. Let me look at the box. There were some writings on the side of the box somewhere. Touch switch. I thought this was like capacitive touch, but it's not drawing any current, and my power pack went off again. Well, this is a fail. I pushed as hard as I could on that little spot there, and it doesn't appear to come on. I thought it was like, a capacitance type switch. You just have to put your finger on it, but that's not happening either. I think I got a fail here. Let me unplug it for a second. Make sure it hasn't heated up on me. And let's make sure I'm checking to see this is totally screwed on. And there's also supposed to be a light that comes on somewhere down here when it's on. I wonder if it's just drawing. Let me check the voltage again. Whoop. There goes my power adapter going off to the lack of use. And this thing is, I can see there are no instructions, but I see no indication whether it's working. And I'm still getting 5.17 volts out of my power pack. This is frustrating. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Let me stop this video and see if I can find out if there's a cable problem or what. Stand by.